Let's see how to work on a file together in Microsoft Teams. First, open the Teams tab on the left sidebar, then select the team and channel where the file you want to work in is stored. Once you're in the right channel, click the Files tab at the top, and this is where all your shared documents are stored. You can see all the files your team has uploaded here, like Word documents, PowerPoint, Excel sheets, etc. Now, find the file you want to collaborate on and click on it. Teams will open the file directly in the app, whether it's a Word document, an Excel sheet, or a PowerPoint presentation, and you can start editing it right away. As you and your teammate make changes, you'll see each other's names at the top of the document. Everything is saved automatically in real time, so there's no need to worry about losing your work. And that's how to work on a file together in Microsoft Teams. See you soon!